These look like Spencer, don't they?
Yeah.
Spencer. Spencer. Let's find Diesel. Where's Diesel? Looks a bit like Rocky, doesn't it?
Diesel.
Yeah.
Diesel then. Diesel.
Is that James?
Trains. Yeah.
Oh, maybe we can find some Diesels here. Yeah, that's a Diesel, look.
Diesel.
And some trucks.
Yeah.
These are troublesome trucks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, troublesome trucks.
Put down.
Turn the page.
Yeah.
Diesel. Look at Diesel.
The
Daisy? Yeah, it looks like Daisy, doesn't it?
Daddy.
We should remember this. This is this model railway exhibition in Glasgow in February. Yeah, it's a tunnel. See the tunnel?
Yeah.
There's another tunnel there, look. Yeah, I think we're going to have to go to this, aren't we, Samuel? Hmm? Looks like Gong Gong engine.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The big
Salty.
big buses.
Hmm?
Big buses.
Maybe this looks like Annie and Clarabelle, maybe. Right?
Yeah.
And then, is that Thomas?
Yeah, so